How to download Geometry Dash on your PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download Geometry Dash on your PC. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is have the application Steam installed on your device. So as you can see, Geometry Dash is available on Steam. So get the application. As you can see, I've already signed in, and I also have the application here. If you don't have it, you can go to your Play Store and search for Steam Download, and then download the application from this link. And once you are logged in, click on the search bar on Steam and search for Geometry Dash. Select the game. Now all you have to do is wait for it to load. If you want to know more about the information about the game, scroll down here. You will see about the game and all of its features. So all you have to do is add this to your cart and then view your cart. Now make sure that this is selected for my account, because if this is selected as a gift, it won't be added to your account. Now continue to payment. And if you wish to continue with any of these cards, click on it. Now enter your card details, your expiration date, and your billing information as well. And once you continue, you should be able to purchase the game, and it will show up on your Steam's library. So just click on library and you'll find the game right here. And then once you have done that, you could easily download this game on your Steam. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.